Hello again. We are going to be working on writing our names, but we are going to be using our sky, grass, and dirt paper that is going to be in our plastic holder. Because we're going to be using this, we also need to make sure we have our whiteboard marker. You guys have the smaller ones. I have the bigger one. And in our pencil box where our marker is, you are also going to have an eraser. This eraser you are also going to use as well. So keep this on the side so that you have it for when you need it, okay? Now we are going to be practicing our names. I am going to be starting at the very top line. You start on the left-hand side. I am going to be practicing. Remember how we went through the names? I had said, you guys call me Mrs. Ross, but my first name is Melissa. So I'm going to start up at the sky, go all the way down to the grass, sky, grass, and back down. Notice it's a capital letter. All of your names should be touching the sky. The beginning of your name should touch the sky because everybody's name starts with a capital letter. Now I'm going to go M-E-L-I-S-S-A. Whoop. Now look at my A. My A is not touching the ground. So I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase my A. And I'm going to practice to make it better. All right. Now I'm going to look at my work. Let's get a little closer and see. Is my M up to the sky? It is indeed. How about my E? Is it staying in the grass? All of them are in the grass, but it does not go up into the sky. My L does because it's one of the letters that does touch the sky. Your I, remember, is your interesting one. It goes up into the sky in a curious way. Its eye is up there, but the rest of its body is in the grass. All right. Now, I wrote my name once. I'm going to get my crayon out, or you could just use your finger space. You can use a finger space, or you can count the lines, 1, 2, or like I like to use my crayon. And I'm going to practice writing my name again. Am I going super quick like Sonic? No, I'm not. I'm not writing like the Flash either. I'm writing nice and slow to make sure that I'm practicing the right way. Now I wrote my first name. I'm going to keep going. You are going to write your name 10 times. Okay, so 10 times. So I have 1 right here and 2. And if I'm writing them 10 times, I'm going to take away those 2. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more times to write it. So I'm going to go down to my next line. I'm going to write it again. You guys are going to be writing your name as well. Okay, you're not going to be writing mine. You're practicing your name. So I want you to do it 10 times. So as many fingers as you have is how many times you should be writing your name. Just your first name today, okay? If you would like the extra practice, you can practice writing your first name and your last name, like I would do here. If you want even more practice, you can practice writing your full name, which means your beginning, middle, and last. So my first name is Melissa. My middle name is after my great aunt. And my last name is Ross. So it's Melissa Ann Ross. All right, this would be your next challenge. So if you write your name 10 times and you really want to practice some more, which is awesome, you can go back and practice your first and last name. Now, let's say you get done with that and you do that 5 times and you say, oh, I really want to try something else. Try writing your full name. Ask mom and dad, say, how do you do it? They can write down the name and then you're going to copy it. You can trace over it and then copy it and try and practice yourself. Okay, now at the end, if you're still like, I want to do some more, you can work on your ABCs, practicing your A's, and your B's, your C's, and your D's, okay? So you guys have a lot of choices. So choose whatever you like, but the first main important one is your first name. After that, this is your second challenge. So I'll put a star as being one of your challenges. And this is a double challenge. A challenge means it's a little hard, but I know you guys can do it. I would not give you guys an assignment if I knew you couldn't do it, okay? Because you guys are super smart. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Thank you very much. Good luck. Keep doing awesome.